Hey guys, it is Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I want to show you how to check for updates. You can check for these updates on any of your devices. Your computer that is attached to your smartboard, your desktop computers if you have any, and your laptops. This would also work on student laptops if you see that they need some updates. So you're going to go, the first type of update is a Windows update. That's what I'm going to share with you today. So you're just going to go to update, or your search bar. You're going to check update, and you're going to go check for updates. And you see Windows updates pops up.
Good morning, White Marsh. Can I have my...
And then you can see that I have already updated two things, but usually it's going to say check for updates, and you're going to check it. And then if you need to restart, you need to do that as well. If you see down here where it says View Optional Updates, you click right here, and do you see all of these driver updates that are available? So I'm going to select all of them and hit Download and Install. And it's going to go ahead and start working on those. You can see that it'll all start downloading. And now it's finished. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. So now it's all pending restart. Now mine did this very quick, but depending on what they are and what you need updated or how many you have, it could take a little bit longer. So now I'm going to click Restart Now. And then that is how you do Windows updates and check for the optional updates that are very important too.